Alright guys, so I'm heading to a place I've never been before. It's called overstockguys.com or something like that. So it's kind of like the bins, but I guess every Saturday they update their bins and they add like 200,000 items every week. And Saturday is the most expensive day. It costs $5 per item. Today's Sunday, so it went down $1, so it's going to be $4 an item now. So, I mean, I looked at their Facebook page and it looked like they have some good stuff. So hopefully it's not all gone by now. So I'll film when I get there. Alright guys, so we are here. This place called Overstock Guys, digging for deals. I'm gonna lock my car. There it is. Digging for deals. Hopefully they have some good deals at more cotton than I thought it was going to be, but we'll see.
Total is $35.46.
Alright.
You can take it out. Would you like a receipt?
No, I'm good.
You're all set.
Alright, thank you.
Have a good one.
You too. Well, that place was interesting to say the least. They were alright though. I guess I'll give a review here when I get back to my car of it. So I just got done with my inaugural trip to Overstock Guys digging for deals here in Cincinnati. And I gotta say, it was kind of awkward. I mean, it was kind of weird, but I like it. I mean, I'm definitely gonna come back. Megan's gonna come with me next time. I mean, it's basically bins, but everything is one price. So Today's the second day they just restocked, so it went down from $5 yesterday to $4 today for any item. And on their Facebook page, they let you know, but they don't let you know. They show pictures of what's left from the day before or the days before. And this morning I checked it. There was 2 brand new in the box Lego Star Wars toys. But the problem is they don't tell you. There's a lot of bins in there, but they don't tell you which one it is in. And I'm already sick as it is, so I didn't feel like spending that much time in there. I did get some items. I'll show you when I get home what they are. But my review of this place is it's well worth the trip, especially if you live in, like we do, in the Cincinnati, North Kentucky area. So yeah, Overstock guys digging for deals. By the way, I don't know, I'm guessing they get all their stuff from Amazon. So they get 200,000 items in every Saturday. So yeah, it's either Amazon and eBay, but I'm guessing Amazon because both of them are here in this area. Just wanted to show you what I picked up at the Overstock Digging for Deals store. The first thing I'm going to show you is this PS5 dual charging stand for PS5 controllers. I haven't looked this up yet, but I know it's worth way more than $4. Well, I'm guessing. So I got that. I got this Kobe Bryant iPhone 11, I think it is. Yeah, iPhone 11 case. So I don't know how much that would be worth. I'm sure it's more than $4. I got this Frozen 2 sketchbook set for kids, obviously. So I got that. I got this drawstring strapless bra. I don't know. I know that's worth more than $4. I'm guessing too. I haven't did comps on a few of these things. I know I did comps on this though. This is a HP 902 combo pack ink set. I looked this up. This is $40, so I got it for $4. I got the shower curtain here. I don't know if I was going to use that for our house or sell it. I'm not sure on that yet. Guess it's not up to me, is it? And last but not least, I got this acoustic foam for people, I guess, who play instruments and or people who have their own little YouTube studio, maybe. I've seen it in other videos, so I'm also guessing this is worth more than $4. I'm going to look this up here soon. So yeah, I mean, I've spent about a half hour in there. I spent $35 total. Just the ink alone is worth $40. So, and there was a lot more that I felt bad yesterday. I just wasn't myself. I felt sick. But I can go in there and spend a couple hours. I like it. So my review of that place is well worth the trip if you live in the Cincinnati area. And I will be back.